What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Hey, I got my Toyota MR2 Spyder in the background, currently with a turbo 2zz on it. I finally got this thing up to 10 pounds of boost, quite a bit more than when I got it dynoed. The max that I pushed at dyno was 6 psi, so 4 more pounds per square inch. That's a big deal. Added a little bit more fuel on the trim, so increased a little bit of the fuel, did a little bit of the timing on it. Car is at 10 psi, making big boost for this. It's really fun now. So we're gonna go ahead and go for a drive in my Toyota MR2. As you guys saw from the intro, it looks amazing. Let's go ahead and pop the deck lid real quick open so you guys can check out the build. So this is a deck lid on the back of these things. There's a little latch there. You pull up on the deck lid, slap that thing open. Of course, here's gonna be the 2zz with the turbo. Let me turn a light on for you guys so we can see what we're driving. I know I've gotten a lot of people say, Mitch, we definitely want another MR2 video. So here's the MR2 video for you guys. We will be getting the Toyota CELICA turboed here pretty soon. Got a few other mods that we're going to be doing, but right now let's just enjoy this boosted 2zz MR2. This build is amazing. It's a fully complete build. I'm done with the build. I'm really enjoying this car. I've been enjoying it a ton. I got those new wheels on here that look really aggressive and beefy, as you guys saw by the thumbnail. Love this car, but we got it up to 10 pounds of boost. Absolutely amazing. Believe it or not, the headlights do look really good. The reason they're kind of like dazed over like this is because there's condensation on the inside. I'll end up cleaning that and resealing those headlights this summer. Paint is perfect. Got the car repainted in OEM 3PO red, but it's time to go and hit some big boosts. I'm excited. So we'll drive around. We'll do a night drive. Let me show you guys one more time. I still haven't got a catch can yet. Redline Ricer is supposed to be giving me a catch can, so I should be getting one here real soon from him. And I still want to do a boost controller, but I actually just went on wastegate pressure, and so I actually tightened the wastegate to create more boost, which is awesome. So I'm loving that it's running on 10 psi. I'll show you guys that as we go through. As we go through the car, I will show you guys driving in this 10 psi of this boosted MR2. I cannot recommend one of these enough. If you can find one, get one. They're an amazing platform. Swap the 2zz out for a 2zz, or the 1zz for a 2zz. K-Series, you can do that. A little bit more expensive and a lot more modifications, I think. And it's not as OEM-ish. But if you want a pretty quick one, go get a 2zz MR2. Best car I've ever owned. I actually like the NA more than I like the turbo originally, just due to pretty much reliability. It wasn't as loud. This thing's so loud. I feel like I had a little bit more function and drivability. This thing's loud, fast, makes all the whoosh noises. I love it, and I definitely recommend going all the way. But if you want the best, easiest setup, would be just a nice 6-speed 2zz MR2 with a Pexi computer. That being said, let's go ahead and get in the car. I'm excited to show you guys some PSI and some boost. Let me go ahead and put you on a let me put you guys on a tripod. You guys listen to this thing fire up. All right, let's go ahead and start up this MR2. Close the door, close the deck lid. Start it up. Doesn't that sound amazing? Hashtag race car. This is definitely a race car. Let's go get in the car. All right, night drive. This is fun. I feel like this is late Tokyo nights, something like that. It's just fun to be in the car out at night again. I haven't done this. I used to drive my cars at night every night. Like, that's all I do is just, it was my relaxed time. After I'd go to the gym, I'd go for a long drive. So I'm really having fun being back in the MR2 and getting some drives in. Things that I need to fix on this car, I do need to get new tires. Not ones that are so wide in the front, and then these ones are really old too. I need to get a new windshield since mine has a crack in it. I need to seal up the headlights like I mentioned. I need to do a lot of things. What else do I need to do to this car? I need to finally get a proper tune. The AEM EMS4 is discontinued, so you can't buy that anymore. You can only get it secondhand, which is unfortunate. So if you find an AEM EMS4 for a 2zz, I definitely recommend grabbing one of those and holding on. The Apexis are still available, so I recommend you guys buying one of those. They're still out there while you can get them, because all this stuff has become more rare. What else? Yeah, headlights. I gotta reseal those. I gotta get the windshield, and I don't know, that's about it. I really love the build as it looks currently. I think the aesthetics on it are perfect. The aesthetics are just absolutely spot on, in my opinion. I love the coilovers, the K-Sport coilovers. I think they're amazing, and I actually like these wheels on them. I think I'm gonna leave them. I like them more. They're more aggressive than the LOTUS wheels. They actually grew on me quite a bit. But that being said, let's go ahead and find a little place to merge on here and get in while we're all here. We want to see some 10 pounds of boost. So this gauge, it says it's 14 and it's not moving back and forth right now, is because the sensor, the oxygen sensor, is worn out. So if you see this and it's it's going like blank or goes not active, it's because it's worn out. See, it's kind of coming back in, but then I do that and it doesn't really do anything. It should fluctuate. It's just burnt out, so you can ignore that. I leave it on, but it is what it is. It is about 50 degrees outside, so it's a little bit warmer, degrees Fahrenheit. See how the Yugo went offline? It is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a little bit warmer. So when I was driving with the cold weather, it was so fast. But with a little bit warmer here, it's not as crazy fast, but it'll still put down that, that 10 pounds of boost. So let's go ahead and hit that. All right, so first gear is pretty useless. So if you guys are ready. It's pretty crazy. Oh man, that's awesome. That's so fun. The good thing about the MR2 with these wider tires, it does hook up pretty okay. You know, first gear you guys got, it spins. But for the power and for how lightweight it is, it does a really good job. I actually really love it. So let's go ahead and kind of pull around here a little bit more and do another nitron pull. We'll hit it up to this light here. Alright, so you guys are gonna have to watch the boost gauge because I can't look at it as I'm driving, so you'll go ahead and look and you can tell me if when it hits 10 psi. So as you guys watch it. One of the things that I did really well with the CELICA build is I put that new clutch in, and that was a really smart idea. This one has a clutch in it, but yeah, like I was saying, this one has a clutch in it, but it's a 6-putt clutch, and I really hate it. It's very chattery and doesn't engage smoothly. Probably has like 10,000 miles on it, and I just hate it. I can't stand it. It's just not the thing that I like. The clutch pedal is too light. In addition to that, it makes too much chattering. So it does hook and hold, but I just don't recommend it. Oh man, that's amazing. One thing that I'm looking forward with the Toyota Celica is I'm gonna have that TRD exhaust on there, and it won't. This one's just so loud and not always in the best way. So I'm excited. This does have an exhaust on, a muffler on it. It's all custom. The one from TurboKits.com is a straight pipe, and it's a really short straight pipe. So it's just extremely loud. It's so much exhaust noise, and so that was one thing I loved about my Evo. Is it has so much intake noise and blow-off valve. You do have that, but it just has so much exhaust noise. It's the prominent thing is the exhaust noise over the rest of the bells and whistles of having a turbocharger. And I think that the best part about the turbocharger is the blow-off valve, and the loud exhaust does mask it up a little bit. It does have a really good kiss. The LOTUS ELISE turboed has the best POV in my opinion. It's so good. It actually even has a recirculating blow-off valve, and it just sounds amazing. that feels fun. That is awesome. That is so much fun. I love that. I can't tell you guys how much I love that. This is so fun. All right, let's do a little bit of merging power. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is quick. That feels so good. So it's a little bit of third and fourth. That was awesome. I love that. I don't know if I got the boost gauge in there though. I want to show you guys how much that 10 pounds of boost. That's my main goal in this video. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna wait till a little smooth spot here. Okay, so let's go down to fifth, down into fourth, down into third, and then it's happy. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Dang, we're cooking. All right, let's do a little bit of first gear again, because it's one of my favorites. Jeez. 0 to 60 in this thing is nothing. It has to be 4 seconds. It's totally like right at 4 seconds flat. It's way, 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 way faster than the Evo because it weighs nothing. It's so fast. 0 to 60 is just nuts, especially with that the higher PSI there. That was amazing. Did you guys enjoy that? I enjoy that. Oh gosh, that is awesome. All right, one little more burnout. Woo! Jeez, that's intense. That little noise is my little keychain moving noise right down here. I should probably take that off, but whatever. All right, let's merge back onto the highway, do one more pull, and then show you guys that's about it. I just wanted to show you a nice Friday, Friday morning, 10 PSI, Friday night drive in the perfect boosted MR2. This is just amazing. So here we go. We're gonna merge on. Maybe we'll just roll into third and just have a long third gear. Let's just have a long third gear. Wow. So a little bit of info. The car did 40 knock. That's a knock level. And then it hit 8,370 RPMs. And then the air volume was 51, which is a lot of air volume. Your normal 2zz is only gonna get like 45, so it's a lot of air being crammed in there. So it's pretty awesome. One of the questions I did get to was with this turbo kit, do you need to have, do you have to like slam gears to get merging power? No. So I'm in 5th gear right now and it'll accelerate really quick. So I'm already going 75 now. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was like 40 to, or not 40, that was like 50 to 75. So if you want to watch that in 5th gear again, I mean 5th gear is pretty high. You can go to 6, but so if you were to do like, I don't know, let's say 50, we'll go down to 50, and then you guys can watch it, we can watch it build. So we'll go 50 to 75. So I'm already accelerating, and now we're already at 70, and now we're at 75, 80, and so, but once you wind that thing up, it really wants to go, 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 go. So the more wound up it is, the way faster it is, but you still have pulling power without, downshifting. Now if you were to just throw it into 4th, and you get the high up in there, the RPMs, it just rockets. So now yeah, see, my gosh, it starts to climb up in the high RPMs. All right, one more with a big high number. That's a big high number. Oh, that sounds awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I can't really do an outro, it's all dark out, but I hope you enjoyed the night drive in the boosted 2zz MR2. I hope that this motivates one of you to maybe build a car like this, or if you own a car like this,
if you own a car like this, maybe to just appreciate another one. Because I really love this build. I've had this car for more than a decade. It's been my favorite, so I definitely recommend them. They're amazing. It's a great platform, and this is very similar to what the CELICA GTS Turbo will be like. The only difference is the CELICA is a little bit heavier and front-wheel drive, so it's a very, very visceral, different experience. But it should be similar power to this and similar feel to this. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Since I don't have the Turbo CELICA done yet, we'll start working on that here real soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and swing by MR2.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.